Chalo, let us start. Okay. Let us start. Okay. Fine. Chalo. Fine. Let us start, everyone. Okay. So, how many number of lines of symmetry are there for a geometry box? Come on. Answers. Quick. I want rapid fire from you. Come on. Quick. Two. Very good. Okay. Two. Next. Is there any letter with having 3 lines of symmetry? 3 lines of symmetry. No. Okay. We have. Okay, there is a bit tricky in the question. Okay, you can think that it is the letter O, but they are demanding only for exactly 3 lines. Okay, I know your letter O will have infinitely many. Okay, this is a bit tricky question. Okay, fine. So no, none of these. Next, which of the following letter do not have any lines of symmetry? Quick. Very easy. We have done this in the class. Very good. Rapid fire. Very nice. How many lines of symmetry does a rectangle have? Come on. Whoa. My goodness, the energy. Very good, guy. I'm so happy. Okay, very good. 2. Okay. Symmetry. Next. Which of the following will have 4 lines of symmetry? Come on. C, B, C, C. Oh, my God. Yes. Okay. 2 do not have 4 lines of symmetry. Okay. Check it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Only the C bit will not have 4 lines of symmetry. Very good. Moving to next. Which of the following letter will have 2 lines of symmetry? Come on. X, C, X, C. Very good. 1, 2. Perfect. This has only 1. This has only 1. Okay. Vertical line of symmetry, both horizontal and vertical, and this is just horizontal. Perfect, guys. Next. How many lines of symmetry does a butterfly have? 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2. Okay, guys, just relax. Just see the speed you guys are sending. Okay, come on. Please. Okay, please. Come on, this is a huge speed. Okay, please make it quick. Okay. Everyone. Fine. Yes, 1 line of symmetry. Perfect. Okay, clear? Done, everyone? Yes. Clear, everyone? Done. Okay. Next, a triangle which has no line of symmetry is. A triangle which does not have any line of symmetry is. Any line of symmetry, scalene triangle. Perfect. An equilateral triangle is symmetric about. Is equilateral triangle. All correct. All of them. Okay. So what is this? Altitude is nothing but the perpendicular. Median is nothing but touching the midpoints of the sides, and angle bisector, you know, that is bisecting the given angle. Okay. So all of these. Perfect. Okay. Someone has asked a doubt. Sir, I have a doubt. In English alphabet there are no straight lines. The answer, but in the answer gate is telling it's there. No, it is D only, Baba. Okay, fine. Next. Okay, line of symmetry is a symmetrical abouts. A dash. Come on. Which one? A line segment is symmetrical about. Which bisector? Come on. Line bisector, no. Okay. C. This is bit tricky. I get it. Okay. This is bit tricky. Okay. Please look into it. Okay. Okay. This is the line of symmetry. Correct. Now, see, even this can bisect. Even this line can bisect this angle. But the mirror image, if you get, it won't be correct. Okay, so line of symmetry is saying it would be wrong. So it should be perpendicular line of symmetry. It should be 90 degrees. Okay, everyone? Okay, it should be 90 degrees. Perfect. Very good, guys. Let's move to the next. Next, given XYZ, come on, we have done this question in the class. Okay, done. Okay, fine, come on, we have done this question. We have done this question in the class. Yes or no? We have done this question in the class. Yes or no? My goodness, there are 300 messages. Okay. Good. Okay, done? Yes. So that is option B, correct. Okay. Z, X, Y is the correct answer. Next, which of the following pairs of line segments are not parallel as shown? Okay, come on. Even this question we have did. This question we have did. Absolutely correct. AB and DC. AB and DC. Perfect. Next, which of the following do not represent? Also a class question. Also a class question. Okay, C. Okay, yes. Okay, B, A we cannot. Okay. Hold now. I just want to know. Okay, C I agree. Wait. Now, please tell me why C. Can someone tell me why C? Vivan, why C? Why C? That is my question. Cool down. Priyansh. Cool down. Why C? I am asking. You are not listening to me. Why C? Why C? Because a ray should be named from the end to the exit because of the end points. We cannot write the arrow backwards. Okay, but still I am not getting the actual answer. I have given the reason. Because it's a ray, yes. Okay, why it's not a ray? Direction. Okay, direction is the answer which I am looking for. See, the AB direction is towards this side. And BA direction will go towards that side. Okay, are you getting my point? So the direction will change. Please, is there any option or if we have to school to ask? Suresh, no, currently, Baba. Okay, because it's a one-time online exam. Okay, done. Next, in the given figure, L, M, N have drawn passes to the point P. Can we draw more such lines? Yes. Okay. How many such lines? If yes, there are infinitely many. Perfect. Infinitely many. Find out which of the statement is correct. Come on. Okay, D, B. I got 84 in maths. Very good, guys. Very good. Come on. A, B. I am getting a mixture of both A and B. Okay, find it out. Find out which of the following statement is correct. Let's look one by one. Okay. Now A, C, B. Okay. This angle. I think so everyone can see this yellow line. Okay, I think so. I should use a different color. Just a second. Okay, yeah, now it is clearly visible. A, C, B and D, C, E. No, they are not. First one is incorrect. Okay, they have a common vertex, but they don't have a common arc. Next, E, C, F. This one. E, C, F and B, C, E. Yes. Okay, yes. Which is the common arc? CE. You can also see it here. CE. CE is the common arc in both of them. That's it. B is the correct answer. Perfect. Understood, guys? Okay, I know all of you know it. These are silly errors which might be happening. Okay, the exam is not to know that someone is getting out of. Okay, it is just to make you understand what is the outcome you have learned. Okay, always keep this in mind. Exam is not to test how much you know it or not, how much you have learned it. Okay, learning should be a continuous process. Okay, it should be a continuous process. Silly errors, so that silly errors, do you don't know it, you know it. Okay, that's a thing which you should avoid. Okay, clear? Fine? Yes. Chalo. Next one. Next one. Next one. The number of line segments. Come on. This was a good one. This was a good one. This was a good one. My God. Most of you are giving the correct answer. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Okay. That is 15. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Look into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 40 and 50. Okay, 15, absolutely correct. Or you can say with A, how many you will get? B, C, D, E, F. Okay, how many will you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With B, similarly, you will get such 4. With C, you will get 3. With D, you will get 2. With E, you will get 1. You can add it up. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. Okay, clear? Done? Okay, done. Okay, next. Which among the following will be the correct representation? Come on, this was a very easy question. A, absolutely. A, okay, let's see. PQ plus, no. PQ plus RS is not PS, no. A is not the correct answer. No. PQ plus RS is not PS. This is not continuous, guys. PQ plus RS is not PS. There is a gap of QR. A is not the correct answer. A is not the correct answer. Come on. Focus on it. Come on, everyone. Focus. Okay, no, guys. A is not the correct answer. Is not the correct answer. Okay. No, what we have misread it. We have done a small error. Incorrect. Which of the following is incorrect? Okay, incorrect is option A. Perfect. Okay, because of this, what should be added here? What should be added here? Can someone tell me what should be added here? Plus what it should be there to make it correct? QR. Perfect. QR. Okay, QR. Perfect. Next, moving to next. In the given figure, what are the lines M, N, L called? Perfect. Everyone is giving the answer. Okay, that is concurrent lines. Okay, concurrent lines are perfect answers. Okay, perfect answer, guys. Very good. Concurrent lines. Next, the difference between the maximum and the minimum value of the observation. Come on. This is the last question which we have discussed in our last class. Come on. Yes, range. Perfect. Range is the perfect answer. Okay, some integer are marked. Okay, what is the range? What is the range? Maximum. What is the maximum here? Answer to my question. First, what is the maximum? Maximum is 20. Correct. Minimum minus 17. Minimum minus 17. Correct. Minimum minus 17. Difference between them, 20 minus of minus 17. That is 20 plus 17, 37. Clear? That's it. Okay, that's it. Okay, clear. Next. Which of the following are obtained by 12 students? Which of the following marks are obtained? The range, again, the range of this given data. Option D, 7. Okay, let's see. Maximum value is 22. Correct? There is 25. Sorry, my bad. 25. Perfect. 25. Minimum. Come on, minimum. Minimum 5. 5. Correct. Minimum is 5. Oh, 30 is also there. 30 is also there. My bad. 30 is also there. Perfect. Done. Maximum is 30. Minimum is 5. Any errors? Any other observation? Correct? Therefore, yes. Okay. 30 minus 5. 25. Okay. Perfect. Next. The number of times a particular observation is occurred is called frequency. Perfect. Frequency. Next. Which of the following marks out of 30 students is called out of 30 students, then the frequency is obtained marking 22 is 22. How many 22s are there? That you have to check. Let's count one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct? 7. Perfect. It's option D. You can use tally marking also here. Yes, you can use tally marking, not an issue. You can use a tally marking, not at all an issue. Okay. The ratio between 40 days and 40 hours, again, your first thing is that you have to make one thing one. Days and hours you cannot compare. Either make it into days or into hours. So first I will make my 40 days into hour, that is better. Okay. So 40 days means 40 into 24 hours. Okay. By 40 hours. So 40 will get cancelled. What will be the ratio? Perfect. 24 by 1, which is 24:1. 24:1. Perfect. That's option A. Population of Rajasthan is 570 lakhs. Population of UP is 1560 lakhs in the same area. Ratio, come on, very simple. Okay, ratio 570 by 1560. 0 gets cancelled. Simplify with which table? 3. Yes or no? 3. Yes. Divided by 3. 19 threes are, please check it. 19 threes are 57, correct? So this will become 19. What about this? This will become down denominator 52. Perfect. 52. Okay. 19 is a prime number. So option C. Perfect. Okay. That's it. Okay. This was the overall discussion. Any questions, any doubts still in the exam? No? Okay. Very good, guys. Lovely interaction. Lots of messages. I loved it. I loved the session. Okay. Fine. Please make sure you practice like this. There should not be any gap. Okay. Please enjoy. I'm not saying to enjoy. That should be there. Okay. But fix a particular routine. Okay. Fix a particular routine. Rest of the subjects, yes. Okay. Rest of the subjects will be coming up. Okay. For discussion purpose. Okay. Fine. Done, guys. That's it.
Okay. Very good. Chalo, now we are going to discuss chemistry paper. Just check if you have any doubt, you will raise that. Okay, so most of you have done very nice. Okay, this question, what is the right answer here? Everyone, which of the following is not a compound? Bleaching powder, it is a compound. CaOCl2. Quicklime, CaO, it is a compound. Washing soda, Na2CO3.10H2O. Brass means copper and zinc mixture, right? And these two are different things. So brass is not the compound. So correct answer is D here. We discussed this one in our regular class. Okay, next question. A pure substance, this one also we discussed, direct question came. So for pure substance we have fixed composition and fixed property. Okay, fixed composition and fixed property, right? So B will be the correct answer here, direct question. Next one, this one, which of the following states of matter has only one free surface? Lot of time we discuss this one, only one free surface. In which case? Liquid, because if you consider any liquid, only one side you can touch. Okay, so that is the only easier way to understand. So liquid is having only one. 56, who got? Githik. Okay, very good. Next, this one, those who are who got more than 50 marks, very good, I'll say excellent. Okay, next question, this one, before this is done. Liquid, this one, liquid particles move faster as compared to solid particles. Correct statement, no problem. Next, the particles moving with high speed have low kinetic energy. No, because kinetic energy means half mv square. If velocity is more, then particles, energy, kinetic energy will be more. If kinetic energy more, velocity will be more. Same thing. Okay, proportion. That if velocity is increasing, kinetic energy also will increase. So it is saying opposite thing. So statement 2 is wrong. 1 is correct, 2 is wrong. Which one? Option C. Okay, statement 1 is true, second one is wrong. Correct. Next one, this one, which of the following is not a characteristics of solid? Direct question came from worksheet. Which is not a correct characteristics of solid? Solid means high rigidity, yes. High density, yes. Regular shape, yes. High compressibility, it is only for gas, right? So that's why for this question, which is not the correct characteristics of solid, 4, option D, high compressibility. Next, this one, solid. Now match this one. Solid means always closely packed, right? I should be with C. I C. Okay, so by default these two are the wrong answer, right? Next, 2 liquid. Liquid with A, intermolecular spaces are high. No, in liquid case, intermolecular spaces are moderate, not that much high. Or 2 with E, liquid is mercury, right? In case of liquid, intermolecular spaces are not that much high, it is less. Okay, it is less. So that's why this is not the correct answer. This one will be the correct answer here. So 2 should be with E, right? Next, match 3 with A. Gases are having intermolecular spaces, very high intermolecular spaces, right? 4B, diffusion means intermixing of particles, that is also correct. 5th state of matter means Bose-Einstein condensate. So option C. Okay, only using first 2 or 3 options we can easily get the answer, correct? So option C will be the correct answer here. Next, this one, which of the following is an example of a heterogeneous mixture? Easy example. Homogeneous, air homogeneous, sugar solution homogeneous. So bacha kya? Solid, right? Okay, C will be the correct answer here, correct? Okay, very good, all of you have written C. Next one, this one, very interesting question. Which diagram represent a mixture of compound? So mixture of compound means 2 different diagram, 2 different things you will observe, and they are saying compound. Compound means more than one atom must be there. Here all of these are atom, right? These are mixture of atoms, so this is not the correct answer. In this case, you see, this is one type, this is another type, 2 different type we have, right? So yes, this will be the correct answer here. In this case, you see, all are looking similar, right? Exactly same molecule, right? This one, all same. So this is not the correct. And here also the same thing, this is not the correct answer. So mixture of compound means different type of compounds will be present. Okay, so option 2, 2 will be the means 2 means option A will be the correct answer. Clear? Next question. This one. You are given a mixture of water and oil. How do you classify this and why? Oil and water. It is a heterogeneous, right? So heterogeneous. C, D, wrong. Now let's continue the reading. Because water and oil mix immiscible liquid. Yes, water and oil immiscible. They do not mix with each other. So B is correct. And first one is saying they are miscible. No, they are not miscible. They are immiscible. So option B will be the correct answer here. Correct? Very easy question. Next, this one. Which statement describe a pure substance? So pure substance means only one kind of particles, right? Pure substance is only one kind of particle. Homogeneous means homogeneous, heterogeneous, these are all mean mixture, and mixture always impure. Mixture always impure. So these are not the correct answer. Both A, C not the correct answer. C will be the correct answer here. Correct? C will be the correct answer here. Okay? Clear now? Whenever we consider homogeneous or heterogeneous, we use mixture word, right? Any mixture means that is impure because two different things are there. Pure means always one thing. Okay? One thing must be there. So that's why correct answer should be C. Next one. This one. Fast. Which row of about element mixture? So first this is element. This is element, then mixture, then compound. Which one is correct? Metallic element, copper. Okay. Brass is not element, right? Brass is a mixture, right? So by default B option and D option you can eliminate. So copper is element. Next. So now check. So that's why we can easily just cross B and D. Okay. Check other things. Non-metallic element, methane. How methane is the element? Methane is a compound, right? CH4. Methane is a compound. It is not element. So by default is wrong. So you have got the answer, right? C will be the correct answer. Now check other thing. Mixture. Brass, copper and zinc. So this is a mixture, correct? And compound, methane is compound. So option C is the correct answer here. Next. Compound is like H2O. H2O, right? It is a, chemically combined two or more than two elements, right? Two or more than two elements. Two or more than two types of elements. Only one type, wrong. Formed by a combination of two or more different elements which are chemically combined. Yes. B is the correct answer here. Now, option C, physically combined. It is hydrogen and oxygen. In between, chemical bond is there. They are chemically combined, not physically. So wrong, and both B and C means that is wrong. So here correct answer is B. Yes. Next, this one. Which of the following is an example of a homogeneous mixture? Homogeneous, very easy example. Sand water, no. Heterogeneous. Salt solution, yes. Homogeneous, 1000 times we discussed, right? Oil, water, heterogeneous. Fruit juice with pulp, heterogeneous. So option C will be the correct answer. Okay. Okay. So next one. Identify the true statement among the following. So true. Let's read this. Gases are highly compressible, correct, and diffuse very easily. This is correct statement. Gases are highly compressible, possess strong forces. No. Between gaseous particles, they have very, very weak, negligible forces, right? B is wrong. Solid molecules are closely packed, correct. Next, highly compressible. No. Solid particles, you cannot compress, right? Solid particles is least compressible. So this is wrong. Next, solid molecules are loosely packed. No. Solid particles, they are, tightly packed, right? So option should be A. Correct answer is A here. Next, identify a state of matter which has no fixed volume. 1000 times we discussed. Only if you consider gas. Okay, here we have gas. You can convert this gas, with using high pressure. You can send this gas into a container at high pressure, right? So gas, it does not have any fixed volume. And here you see wooden block, it is solid, so it has fixed volume. Oil, it is liquid, it is having fixed volume. Oxygen, it is a gas, so it does not have fixed volume. Both A and B means that is also wrong answer. So correct answer is C. Next, okay, all questions we have discussed. Do you have any other doubt regarding any question? So I hope most of the students, 60 out of 60 you got, above 50, so many students, got the result. Very good. Okay, excellent. Oil, it is having fixed volume, na? Venkatesh is asking, sir, how does oil have fixed volume? Achha, you just consider, whenever you purchase oil, cooking oil, there is a 1 liter, right? 1 liter container, 2 liter container, 500, 200, 250 ml, right? So that container we purchase, right? So that is the easiest way to understand. Oil, any liquid, it is having volume, fixed volume, but no fixed shape. Okay. 48 Javier, very good. Above, those who got above 40, still I will say very good, very good. Kritika 56, MNK 44. Sir, I got many answers correct, but I didn't get the. If you don't mark properly there, how you will get, right? So that's why you have to, now onwards, you have to be, you have to train yourself how to write this type of exam. Okay. 44, Prajanma, very good. Rutvik 52, Parjania, okay. 44, Rutvik, how many times you will write? 48, Charvik. So I hope you have understood this chapter, whatever we discussed, whatever we, portion we discussed. So you have understood all of them clearly, right? Okay. Clear now? Do you agree with me? Give some thumbs up, or you can write something so that I can understand. Next, physics will be discussed. Okay. So I'm just leaving this class. Best of luck for your future. Okay. So I'm leaving this class. Okay. Thank you.
Moving ahead to our first question. This question discussion round is going on now. Moving ahead to our first question. Now the first question is, which of the following is in increasing order of magnitude? Right. So it's very simple to understand. Meter, centimeter, kilometer, mm. No, this is not the option, because it is asking the increasing order, means from smaller to bigger one, right? From smaller to bigger one. So mm, centimeter, meter, kilometer. No, this one is also not correct. Centimeter, mm, meter, kilometer. No, this one is also not correct. Mm, meter, centimeter, kilometer. Yeah. Mm, centimeter. No, this one is also not correct. B, option B, yeah. Option B. The smaller from mm, centimeter, meter, kilometer. Mm is the smallest, centimeter is bigger than mm, millimeter, and meter is bigger than centimeter, and kilometer is finally bigger than meter. So option B is the correct answer for this question. I hope many of you got it very wrong. Sorry, very right. Very right. Absolutely right. Great. Wow. Yeah, I read your comment. We won. Okay, correct. Moving ahead to the next. 1 meter has 10 equal parts. 1 meter has 10 equal parts called. So I guess we did this question in our regular classes also, right? So 1 meter will be equal to how much? 10 equal parts. Millimeter, centimeter, nanometer or decimeter? Decimeter. Maximum of you commenting right answer. Oh, yeah, correct. Very good. Option C is correct for this question. Decimeter. Right? Decimeter. Very good. Correct. Nice. Now moving ahead to our next question. We will see the next question is, what is the metric prefix for 10 to the power minus 3? Metric prefix for 10 to the power minus 3. SI prefixes. If you do remember SI prefixes, you can easily write the correct answer for this question, and that is milli. Milli is the correct answer for this question. 10 to the power minus 3 is milli. Now moving ahead on the next. Which of the following is in the correct order of decreasing magnitude? First we have discussed with increasing. Now we are discussing about decreasing. So decreasing means the option first, kilometer, meter, centimeter and millimeter. Can this be the answer? No, this cannot be answer. Why? Because kilometer, this can be, kilometer is greater than meter, meter is greater than centimeter, centimeter is greater than millimeter. So option A seems to be correct for this question. We'll see the other options. Now listen, if you got first option as correct, then it is request that please go ahead and proceed with the other options also. Read the other option, then decide whether that is correct or not. So option B is saying mm, centimeter. So obviously it's not mm, centimeter, meter and kilometer. So this cannot be the answer. Why? Because it is asking decreasing magnitude, not the increasing magnitude. Here you can see meter, centimeter, millimeter, kilometer. No, obviously not. This one centimeter, meter, millimeter, meter and kilometer. Obviously not. So now option A is the most appropriate and correct answer for this question, right? Maximum of you got the correct answer. Some of you might have got confused. It's the same question of first one, right? So you might have marked option B. But my dear, here where we have to keep a check while writing the exams. Option A, correct. Nice. Nice. Next, moving ahead. A big challenging question. An iron cylinder of length 0.4 meter and area of cross section 0.5 meter square. If the density of the cylinder is 7,800 kilogram per meter cube, what is the mass of the cylinder? Now first, for solving the numericals, we will note down what is given in the question. So length of the cylinder is given 0.4 meter, right? And area is given, that is 0.5 meter square. Next, what is given? Density. Density is denoted by letter rho, which is equal to 7,800 kilogram per meter cube. Right? Density is given, and what it is asking? Mass. What it is asking? Mass. The question is asking us about mass. So for calculating mass, we know that density is equal to mass upon volume. We know this, right? We know density is equal to mass by volume. Now we know the formula, but here in the data provided, we can see volume is not given directly. In the question, volume is not given directly. So we can calculate volume. We can calculate volume by using the formula where volume is equal to area into length. It is talking about cylinder. It is talking about cylinder. Length of the cylinder is given. Area is given, right? Area is also given. So volume will be equal to area into length. This formula we will use for calculating the volume if it is not given in the question. Now here, volume will be equal to what is area? 0.5 meter square. What is length? 0.4 meter. So 0.5 into 0.4. We know that it will give us 0.2 meter square into meter cube. Right? Now we got the volume. Just to substitute the value over here. Value of mass we have to calculate. Mass it is asking, but density is given 7,800 kilogram per meter cube, and volume it is given 0.2 meter cube, but mass it is asking. Mass is not given. Now, those who know unit conversion, right? Those who know what has to be done here, a basic mass, just transpose these things and you will get the answer. So mass will be equal to 7,800 kilogram per meter cube into 0.2 meter cube. Now see here, just multiply 7,800 with 0.2. If you multiply 7,800 with 0.2, your answer will come like 1560. Meter cube and meter cube will be cancelled out, 1560 kg. So correct answer for this question is option C. 1560, 1560 kg. The unit will be kg, right? And listen, when you are going to attend further any entrance exams, here all the data which are given over here, we can see all the units. Units are in SI system. All the units are in SI system. But if any of the unit might have given in CGS system, then it's our responsibility first check the unit, whether all the units are in SI system or CGS system. If any of the unit might be in the different system, we have to convert all the units in one system, right? So I asked, if suppose length might have given in centimeter, CGS system, then it is very much mandatory for us to convert centimeter into meter, then start substituting their values in the formula. Remember this, if they want to just increase the difficulty level, they will change the unit, right? Clear? So option C is the correct answer for this question. Moving ahead. Now here, which of the following is an example of vector quantity? During our running classes, we have discussed a lot on vector quantities, right? So obviously, we know what are vector quantities. Remember the trick? Vector quantity means which have magnitude as well as direction, which have both magnitude as well as direction. So temperature is measured by magnitude only. Volume is measured by magnitude only. Velocity. We have discussed a lot about velocity, right? So velocity seems to be the answer. Now let's see fourth, mass. Mass is also scalar quantity. So velocity is the most appropriate answer for this question, and it is correct. So correct answer for this question is option C, velocity. Very good, very good. Right, moving ahead to the next. An object has a mass of 570 gram and volume of 2280 centimeter cube, 2280 centimeter cube. Calculate its density. Now first we will note down what is given over here in the question. Mass is given how much? 570 gram, and volume is given how much? 2280 centimeter cube, right? Volume is given and mass is given. What it is asking? Density. Density is denoted by letter rho. Those who don't know, please know. Note it down. This is rho. Density is denoted by letter rho. Now, density is asking, we know the formula. Density is equal to mass by volume. We know the formula, right? Now here, for calculating density, substitute the value of this mass. Mass is 570 gram and volume is given 2280 centimeter cube. And now, as I told you earlier, we have to check their units as well. We can see the mass is in gram and the volume is in centimeter cube. They both are in the CGS unit, so it is not mandatory to convert this unit. Now, just simply calculate that, and after calculating, we will get some answer over here, right? So, dividing 57 by 228. If you divide 57 by 228, you will get the answer, which will be equal to 0.25 gram per centimeter cube, right? So, the correct answer for this question is option B, 0.25 gram per centimeter cube, right? Great. Many of you have got correct answer for this. Nice. Yeah, you will have. Yeah, you will be having this biology class after this. Don't worry. You will have biology discussion also. Now, next, moving ahead to the next. What is the mass of a cylindrical object of length 0.6 meter? Question is asking what is the mass, means value of m it is asking, and the object is cylindrical and length is 0.6 meter and area of cross section is given 1 meter square. So area is given 1 meter square. Next, density is given 5000 kg per meter cube. Kg per meter cube, right? So we have length, we have area, we have density, and mass it is asking same concept which we have applied earlier. Same concept, no change. So density is equal to mass by volume, and volume directly it is not given. So volume will be equal to area into length. Because it is a cylinder, right? Because it is a cylinder, so volume is equal to area into length. So area is given 1 meter square and length is given 0.6 meter, right? So 1 into 0.6 will give us 0.6 meter square into meter cube. Now we have volume with ourselves. We can easily calculate mass. So mass will be equal to density into volume. So what is density? It is 5000 given in the question itself. Kilogram per meter cube into what is volume? Just now we have calculated 0.6 meter cube. I hope you all understood the process, right? Everyone understood the process. Nidhish, we cannot play IPL because everyone is aware with the answers, right? Right, Nidhish? IPL we cannot play. So just multiply. You will multiply, you will get, it is 0.6. Okay. 3000 kg will be the answer. Why meter cube? Meter cube will be cancelled out. Right. So 3000 kg will be the answer. Which option is correct? Option A. Option A is the most appropriate answer for this question. If anyone wants, they can take a screenshot fast. If anyone wants, they can take a screenshot quick. Right? Done? Done. Very good. Moving ahead to the next. Which system of unit uses the foot, pound and second as the basic units? Simply it is asking about the full form of FPS. It is very simple. Huh? Just within seconds you can mark the answer. FPS, full form of FPS. Option C is the correct. Everyone has done it correct, right? Everyone marked the correct answer for this question. Tanmay, please check your connection at your home. Might be the problem because to everyone the screen is okay. Right, moving ahead to the next. In the SI system, what is the fundamental unit for amount of substance? Those who remember fundamental quantities, they can mark it within seconds. The answer is option A, mole. The answer is option A, mole, because Kelvin is for temperature, ampere is for electric current and candela is for luminous intensity. So amount of substance is option A, mole. Moving ahead to the next. What is the value of 1 parsec in terms of light year? Unit conversion. 1 parsec in terms of light year. So those who know the answers, those who have done it, I guess maximum of you got wrong in this question only. Right? Maximum of you have got wrong in this question only. So first what you have to do for converting 1 parsec. 1 parsec is equal to how much meter? So you have to remember the value 3.086 into 10 to the power 15 meter. If you might have not remembered this value, then while discussion also we have discussed it. Right? Now next, light year. So 1 light year is equal to how much meter? 1 light year. It is 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meter. But question is asking parsec to light year. Parsec to light year. So for converting parsec to light year, we have to convert meter. If we got the value of meter in light year, we can easily calculate the value of parsec. So here it is 1 meter will be equal to 1 upon 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 light year. Right? 10 to the power 15 light year. Now we got the value of 1 meter. Substituting the value over here, we'll get 3.086 into 10 to the power 15 into. In place of meter, we will substitute the value 1 by 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 light year. Right? Right? Now we can see 10 to the power 15, 10 to the power 15 will be cancelled out. Those who are smart, they will not do the calculation. They will check the options. So in all the options, there is a value of 10 to the power 15, 10 to the power 15, 10 to the power minus 15. So obviously, they are excluded. Option B and option C and option D are excluded instantly over here only. So remaining option, option A. Remaining option is option A. That will be the most appropriate answer for this question. Right, option A. Right, correct. Moving ahead to the next. A physical quantity that has both magnitude and direction. Same, we have discussed several times in the class. Physical quantity that has both magnitude and direction is known as vector quantity. Obviously, vector quantity. Option A is the correct answer for this question. Am I moving fast? Just let me know. Okay, fine. I guess I'm not moving very fast now. Everyone understanding? Everyone is understanding whatever I'm teaching over here. Nidhish, okay. Okay, Nidhish, I'll slow down. What about others? Acha, others are okay. Mokshit, okay. Fine. If I'm moving a bit faster, just let me know. I'm not moving fast now. Okay. For others, it's okay, Nidhish. On your. Okay, fine. Fine. Great. Got your comment. So moving ahead to the next question. Moving ahead to the next. 1 metric ton is equal to how many kilometers? Obviously, we know the answer. 1000 kg. 1 metric ton is equal to 1000 kg. Check in the options. 100, 1000. Option B. Option B is the correct answer for this question. Moving ahead to the next. Density is defined as the ratio of. We have discussed in our starting question also. Density is equal to mass by volume. So ratio will be mass to volume. Mass to volume. Where? Option A, no. Volume to mass, no. Mass to area. Option D. Option D is the correct answer for this question. Right? Moving ahead to the next. Which of the following is a scalar quantity? Scalar quantity it is asking. And during our running classes also we have discussed which of the following is scalar quantity, I guess the same. So velocity is vector, displacement is vector, and force is vector. Temperature is the only physical quantity which is scalar over here out of these 4 options. Right? Right? Clear? So that's all about physics from my side. I wish you a very happy vacations, happy holiday. Enjoy your vacations. See you somewhere, wherever we meet. Right? Okay, take care. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye. Bye to everyone. Bye. Bye. Now you are having a biology discussion. Please be here. Don't skip the class. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Venkatesh. Bye. Bye. Take care. Happy holiday.
Yeah. What is the first question given? The parent material for soil is obtained through a process of. So the process of soil formation, what do we call it? Simply weathering. What do we call it, children? Weathering. What is the answer for this question? Weathering. C will be the correct answer. Chalo. Next question. Please try to answer your answer. We can't hear you. Now can you hear? Now you can hear. Yes. Which layer is known as zone of accumulation or elevation? B horizon. What will be the answer? B horizon. Okay. Then the third question, soil formation is A. Next question. The third question, soil formation is A. What is the answer for this? Soil formation is a fast process. It is not a fast process. It is a geological process exclusively because the soil formation takes place in the earth, right? So geological process taking thousands of years, 100%. It is taking thousands of years. So the answer goes with B. And biochemical process, no. And artificial process, it is not any artificial process. So these are not the options. So B will be the correct option. Next question. Try to answer this question. The term afforestation refers to. What do you mean by term afforestation refers to? Term afforestation refers to. So here cutting down trees, it is called deforestation, right? What do we call it? Deforestation. So this is wrong. Growing trees on barren land. Yes, barren land means which is not where no tree is grown as of now. No plant is grown as of now. Growing trees on barren land. Allowing grazing, why? Wrong. Burning forest. Is it burning forest comes under this? No. Obviously, the option will be deforestation. I'm sorry. Growing trees on barren land, that is called afforestation. Planting the trees. Ready planting the trees. So planting the trees or plant seeds, whatever it may be. Anything can be the answer. Okay, next question. Which pollutant persists in soil for the longer period? You know very well which pollutant persists in the soil for longer period. Very well, you know, plastic. Nowadays we are banning the plastic as well. Nowadays the government is imposing the fine if we use the plastic. So the answer is plastic, urea, humus. Humus is the organic matter which mixes with the soil. Urea also because it acts as a nutrient for the growth of the plant, and nitrates also. Yes, nitrates are the major nutrients required for the growth of normal growth of the plant. For example, leaves, stems, flowers, fruits, all these parts come through by using the nitrates only. So it is called a critical nutrient as well. So the option will be B here. Coming to the next question. Continuous cropping without replacing the humus. What happens? If we do the continuous cropping without replacing the humus, if you don't replace the organic matter continuously, if you are growing the same pattern, same crop, what happens? All the nutrients will be vanished. All the nutrients will be vanished. A is not the answer. Here soil infertility and erosion. Continuous cropping and without replacing the humus causes soil soil infertility and also the erosion. C is the answer. Next, C will be the correct answer for this. Next question. Which of the following is a biological method to control soil pollution? Which of the following is a biological method? Biological method means biology way. Yeah, someone is typing some message. Yes, A is the correct answer. Organic pesticides. Organic pesticide. You know what is the meaning of pesticide? Pesticide means side. The word side refers to kill. What will be pest? Killing the pest. Killing the pests or insects, we call it as pesticides. Yeah, yes, A is the correct answer. So answer will be A here. Very good. Next, which of the following is not a method to prevent soil erosion? Which of the following is not a method to prevent soil erosion? Please write the answer, all of you. Which of the following is not a method to prevent soil erosion? Overgrazing. Overgrazing. Overgrazing is not a method to prevent soil erosion. Yes. Next. Coming to the next question. Soil fertility. Soil fertility depends only on rainfall. Will it depend only on rainfall? No, never. So the option is wrong. Directly the statement is wrong. Soil fertility depends never. Don't write B option. B is not the correct answer. Soil fertility doesn't depend on rainfall. Fertility depends on humus, minerals and nutrients. Exactly. It is correct. So here if you go with that assertion, the statement 1 is false and statement 2 is true. So assertion is false and statement is true. So the answer will be D. Answer will be D here. Soil fertility depends not only on rainfall, it depends on humus, minerals and nutrients as well. Answer is given in the reason itself. So the answer goes with D. Whoever wrote B, that will be the wrong answer. Okay. Chalo. Let us go with the next question. Subsoil is lighter in color than topsoil. Correct. Subsoil is lighter in color than topsoil. Correct. And it contains less organic matter and clay. Correct. Both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of A. Correct. Subsoil is lighter in color than topsoil. It contains less organic matter and more clay. Very good. Next. Match the list. Match the process. Please. I am giving you 2 minutes time. Please do it. Match the following. Match the following. Freezing. Expansion of water in cracks. Contraction. Cooling of rocks. Rainfall. Dissolves minerals. And heat. Heat is expansion of rocks. So the option will be A3, B2, C4 and D1. So option will be A. So freezing is expansion. You can say expansion of water in cracks, and contraction. B is what do you say? Cooling of rocks and rainfall. What did you go? You go with the A option, right? Correct answer. Chalo. A will be the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following statement is correct? Go with the next question. Which of the following statement is correct? So for both loamy and clay soils are suitable for growing wheat and gram. Wrong. For growing paddy, we need a soil that is rich in clay, organic matter and has a good capacity. Wrong. For pulses, loamy soil that drain water easily are considered best. Wrong. For cotton, sandy loam is the best. D is the correct answer. Sandy loam soil is the best one. Correct answer. Chalo. Next question. Which of the following organism contribute to soil formation? Which of the following organism? Very well known organism. Can anyone tell me? Very well known. Every answer is correct here because Fungi contributes because they feed on dead and decaying matter. Fungi feed on dead and decaying matter in the soil. Dead and decaying matter in the soil. And earthworm, if you take, it grows in the soil. Bacteria also same, it grows in the soil. So answer is D, all of these. Answer is D, all of these. Crop logging is a method of, what is crop logging? Soil fertility evaluation, direct question. Soil fertility, we have to test the fertility of the soil. By testing the fertility of the soil, how do we test the fertility of the soil? That testing we call the word crop logging. What is that called, children? Crop logging. So the answer is B. And coming to the next question, dash makes the soil porous and fertile. Dash makes the soil porous and fertile. Can anyone tell me? Centipedes, millipedes, no. No, wrong. Beetles, no. Earthworm is the correct answer, because hence earthworm is eco-friendly, and also we can call it as friend of farmers. Earthworm is also called friend of farmers. Do you understand? Earthworm is also called friend of farmers. So earthworm is the correct answer. Got it, children? So this is all about our 7th class paper. So I guess you have written the correct answers, majority people. So now thank you so much for giving this opportunity. Enjoy your days. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Enjoy your holidays. Right, children? Bye-bye. Thank you so much.